Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of a real-deal motorcycle repair shop. Ever wondered what really happens when your bike is in the shop? We're uncovering the secrets, sharing some insane repair stories, and dropping pro tips to keep your ride in top shape. So buckle up, or should I say, strap on your helmet, and let's dive in. Transition music and montage of mechanics working on bikes. Alright, here we are, right in the heart of the shop. This place smells like oil, burnt rubber, and a bit of sweat, just the way we like it. The crew here starts early, checking in bikes, diagnosing issues, and diving into the grind. Meet mechanic's name. A bike whisperer with over a decade of experience. What's the wildest bike you've ever worked on? Moral of the story? Take care of your ride before it turns into a wildlife habitat. Alright, let's talk maintenance. Your bike's like your best friend. Treat it right and it'll treat you right. Here are some essential pro tips. 1. Dirty oil can turn your engine into a ticking time bomb. Change it as recommended in your manual. 1. A dry chain is a sad chain. Clean and lube it every 700 miles to prevent wear. 1. Low pressure or worn out treads can be dangerous. Give your tires a quick check before every ride. 1. If it's making a weird noise, don't ignore it. It's your bike crying for help. Check this out. This beauty came in after being neglected for way too long. The owner hadn't changed the oil in over a year. The engine was basically a sludge pit. Lesson learned. Maintenance is cheaper than a full engine rebuild. Before-after shots of the repair process. So, there you have it, guys. A day in the life of a motorcycle repair shop. Crazy stories, expert advice, and solid tips to keep your ride smooth. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more moto content, and drop a comment with your craziest bike repair story. Until next time, ride safe and keep that engine purring. Peace. Outro music and montage of bikes revving up.